In this video, I'll guide you through how to add inventory items in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what details to enter, so your products are set up correctly and ready to use on your invoices and bills. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account if you're not already logged in. You'll need access to the organization where you want to add inventory items. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to start setting things up. Next, look for the sales area in the main navigation bar near the top of the screen. Click on Sales. This section is where Xero keeps everything related to what you sell to your customers, including your product list, invoices, and quotes. Going through sales is the most straightforward way to reach your inventory items. After the sales page opens, find and click on Products and Services. This is the hub for all the items you buy and sell. Think of it as your product catalog inside Xero. If you already have items set up, you'll see them listed here, but for now, we're going to focus on adding a new one. Now, click the New Item button. This opens a form where you can define all the details of the product or service you're adding. Even if you plan to add many items later, it's worth taking your time with the first one so you get familiar with the layout and options. The first field to complete is the item code. Enter a code that makes sense to you and your team. This could be a short abbreviation, a stock keeping unit, or a simple internal reference. The key is to choose something consistent and easy to search for later. For example, instead of a random string, you might use a short code that reflects the product type or size. Next, enter the item name. This is the name that will appear on your invoices, quotes, and bills, so make it clear and customer friendly. A good item name usually includes enough detail for someone to recognize what it is at a glance. You can always refine these later, but starting with a clean descriptive name will save time. Below the basic details, you'll see options to enable tracking and whether the item is purchased, sold, or both. Here you can choose to track this as an inventory item. Turning on inventory tracking means Xero will keep a running balance of how many units you have on hand, as well as the value of that stock. This is helpful if you physically hold products and need accurate stock levels. You can also specify that the item is something you purchase, something you sell, or an item you both buy and sell. For example, if you buy finished goods from a supplier, and then resell them to your customers, you'll want both purchase and sell options enabled, so Xero can use the same item on bills and invoices. Once you're happy with all the details and options you've chosen, scroll down if needed and click Save. Xero will create the new inventory item and add it to your products and services list. From now on, you'll be able to select this item when creating invoices, quotes, or bills, making your records more consistent and your reporting more accurate.